China has unveiled its first-ever army of robotic dogs, sparking significant interest among researchers and the public. These innovative machines promise a wide range of applications, from military operations to assistance in everyday tasks. China's move demonstrates its commitment to technological advancement and the integration of cutting-edge solutions into practical aspects of life. China has recently unveiled its world's significant advancement in military technology. These robotic canines have been designed and developed by Chinese scientists and engineers to serve a multitude of purposes, ranging from reconnaissance and surveillance to combat and rescue missions. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, cameras, and communication systems, these robot dogs are capable of operating autonomously or being remotely controlled by human operators. Their ability to navigate rough terrain, withstand harsh environmental conditions, and interact with other robots make them a valuable asset for the Chinese military. The unveiling of these robot dogs has sparked a debate about the ethical and moral implications of using such advanced technology in warfare. Critics argue that the deployment of autonomous robots in combat situations could lead to unforeseen consequences and potential violations of international law. Proponents, on the other hand, emphasize the potential benefits of using robot dogs to minimize human casualties and improve the efficiency of military operations. As China continues to demonstrate its prowess in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence, it remains to be seen how other countries will respond to the emergence of this new breed of military technology. With the world witnessing the dawn of a new era in warfare, the implications of China's robot dog army are likely to reverberate across the global stage.